Wherever you are, any Kenyan, wherever you are, I am here to solve your problems. Please do not scroll. Give me some time, like 5 minutes or so. I want to show you how quick and easy it is kutengeneza unga ya ugali. Hi guys, how are you doing? You, my friend, should be very excited because today I have a surprise for you. So today I'm here with sorghum. If you don't know sorghum, nenda kaangalie sokoni or you Google, which I bought from the market, picked it by myself. I still have more in store. And then we also have mahindi here. We have our maize, which we are going to be using to make ugali flour. And please consider subscribing. So today we are making porridge and some ugali flour, unga ya wimbi, yani kwa Kiswahili, na unga ya ugali. So if you are someone in diaspora, ama pale nyumbani Kenya, pengine uko TZ, Uganda, I know Uganda they also do ugali, or even in other countries and you're interested in this Nutrimill milling machine, kama kisiagi, but kisiagi ya nyumbani. So if you follow me on TikTok, you've probably seen me making ugali flour, and I'm here to save your lives. I mean, yay! This is the magic maker. And before I proceed, so let me just show you some of the important things which you might need. If you are going to import this Nutrimill, mine I got it from Amazon, and I got it from Amazon US. You might need a transformer. So this transformer is actually going to help you to it's a step up and step down transformer. So like I don't know US ni ngapi, but if you put it here, it will either step up or step down accordingly, and then at least you won't have issues of power tripping because this motor is a little bit heavy. And also the plug when you wanatumia hapa, I think the output and input has something to do with that. So you probably are going to need a transformer for your Nutrimill. You can always find it on Amazon. I'll try and get the exact link and put it down below. I'm not paid to do this, by the way. I just thought it's something which is good to share, especially after I shared it on TikTok, and I realized YouTube is a bigger search engine than TikTok, I believe. So I'm able to reach more people. Mkenya mwenye ako Marekani, Mkenya mwenye ako Australia, uko Germany, uko Nigeria kama mimi, uko Uganda, which najua kuna unga ugali uko Congo, nafikiri wanaweza kuwa nakula ugali, I don't know, but anyway, wherever you are, any Kenyan, wherever you are, I am here to solve your problems. Please do not scroll. Give me some time, like 5 minutes or so. I want to show you how quick and easy it is kutengeneza unga ya ugali, which is fine and smooth like this one, which I actually made it. The beauty again of me making my own, you know, I live in Lagos, Nigeria, and I'm not able to access unga ambayo inaonja kama the real unga yenye. Yes, we have maize, we have people who are milling it in the market, but it never tastes the same. And then again, you get to control zinitoga nini hizo dawa za kuwekwa kwa, you know, people put some madawa, wanaweka madawa kwa unga, kwa mahindi zao, wengine they do not wash it properly. So it's going to be a good thing for you to do, because now you see there are many cases of cancer, and cancer right now it's emanating from vitu kama kukulisho mahindi, which has high levels of aflatoxin. At least with this one you can see ni safi. I picked it myself, washed it, dried it, and then it's here. I'm going to grind it na tupike wenyewe tukule, because most of even the packed unga za ugali zenye unakula from here and there, zingine, some of these people don't really care. Sometimes unaweza kuona pika ugali and then you just see it has so many black spots, which are many. Chances are kuna tumahindi mbaya zilipita hapo. And if you can control what you are eating, I know I can't control everything, but the least that I can do, I will keep on trying it. And I'm grateful for this Nutrimill machine, which is actually a kisiagi. Now there are some things which you cannot grind, so you're not able to mill oily grains, oats, seeds, nuts, sugars and spices, but that's definitely all. So this thing works according to the feed rate. You can increase the feed rate and also you can increase the speed of the motor. Mine nimeweka mwisho so that it brings out the finest of the unga, and this feed rate is how the unga ya mahindi inaingia hapa venye inamezwa na hapo ikienda. I will show you shortly. So we're using rice to clean. I'm sorry, this is a continuation from yesterday. Actually, wash your lights. Any cleaning, right? Ebu open. It's open. So we're done cleaning. This is wait, baba. Move.
Nafanya tu hivi.
Imechanga. Rice inakaga na unga fine hivi. Hiyo ni rice. Anyway, so this is the cleaning, the first round. So hii tutamwaga, and then now we do our mahindi and hiki tu. This is a continuation from yesterday's video. An emergency happened. Now we are doing the mahindi. Mahindi! Na kelele! The sorghum is done. Oi, saidie kufungua. This is the sorghum and that's the texture. Very nice. So that's how you make your ugali flour from home. If you feel like it's something that you consider buying, go on to the link down below that I'm going to try and put there from Amazon and buy it for yourself. Do not forget to get a transformer while at it. The step down, step up transformer. Bye bye. See you on the next one. Thank you. So this one